In an era of continuous global economic transformation, the efficiency of capital flow is redefining the logic of world development. Global capital markets have surpassed $120 trillion in scale, while total global financial assets have reached the quadrillion-dollar level. Yet, traditional securities systems remain constrained by structural limitations, restricted trading hours, insufficient clearing efficiency, and significant barriers to cross-border participation. The capital market is on the verge of a profound infrastructure upgrade. With the rapid advancement of financial technology and the digital economy, securities markets are evolving from regional trading centers into global liquidity networks. Asset digitization capabilities continue to strengthen, on-chain liquidity structures are gradually taking shape, and a unified global account participation system is emerging. Capital markets are entering a new era defined by globalization times, digitalization times 24/7, liquidity participation. Security token offering, STO, is becoming a key pathway for structural transformation in capital markets. Without altering the legal nature of securities or shareholder rights, STO enables the digital representation of real-world securities, delivering enhanced asset liquidity, broader global capital participation, deeper market-driven price discovery. STO does not create new assets. It upgrades how securities are expressed and how efficiently they flow. Against this backdrop, AssetX is built upon real, tradable equities, constructing an integrated framework of global capital capability times digital representation architecture times global consumption value token ecosystem. Through an equity token mapping mechanism and liquidity models, AssetX transforms capital from a single financial loop into a synergistic cycle, integrating industry and consumption. It empowers capital to better serve the real economy, enables investors to share in asset value growth, and positions consumption scenarios as key endpoints for capital participation. Real circulating equity assets, fully compliant brokerage systems, authentic market trading activities, real consumption-driven value token integration. Together, they build a multidimensional capital system: industrial capital times financial capital times value, capital times consumer capital, forming a super capital loop. Capital creates value, finance amplifies value, trading circulates value, consumption realizes value. Barriers to global capital participation are steadily decreasing. Asset allocation pathways are expanding. On-chain liquidity networks are reshaping wealth distribution. A new capital era is emerging. Capital begins to serve. Industry finance begins to connect consumption assets, begin to flow globally. Compliant brokerage access, connecting global securities systems. Real asset participation, ensuring a solid capital foundation. Seamless participation, enabling global asset allocation. Flexible trading structures enhancing capital efficiency, digital mapping mechanisms, strengthening global asset representation, dual exit channels, and dual currency settlement, optimizing liquidity value, tokens bridging capital markets and consumption ecosystems, driving multidimensional capital synergy and evolution. AssetX is redefining capital flows and connecting global value, advancing capital markets toward a new financial era of globalization times, digitalization times, liquidity, synergy, times, value, co-creation. Embrace compliance, connect the world, co-create a new wealth ecosystem.